Well, today we are at Springside Chestnut Academy and celebrating the official start to the new school year. And the community was kind enough to be installing me as its next leader. I was thrilled, of course, to be in the company of all these people who love and adore the school. And so the welcome for me was all about connecting with people individually, but also with sort of the population of the school as a whole. Beginning with just walking the path with all the students and all the faculty, and just, so I felt really touched by that.
Now, today marks a really huge day in the history of the school. The purpose of the gathering is to officially welcome our new head of school, Dr. Delvin Dinkins. Dr. Dinkins comes to SCH with more than 30 years of independent school experience. He is respected as a thought leader in contemporary education, mission-based leadership, and community building.
On behalf of all of your students, we welcome you and thank you for being our new steward at Springside Chestnut Hill Academy.
My leadership is really about connectivity and creating pathways for people to know me and for me to know them, instilling purpose and connecting that purpose to passion. And my passion is for the school. Taking chances can not only be challenging, but frightening. So here's a little homework for you. Be a chance hunter. Seek out chances, ones that allow you to grow, ones that create a sense of wonder and add meaning to your life.
You know, what we charged ourselves with was finding the best candidate, the best talent, the best person that we felt would be best for our school. Almost in the first interaction with Dr. Dinkins stood out. You know, almost everything he thought about, did, communicated, the kids were at the center of his process.
You can tell he cares about each and every student at this school, and he really cares about making discoveries and opening doors for all of the students.
Dr. Dinkins is a really personal guy. From all the meetings we've had with him this year, so back when we were interviewing for a new candidate for the head of school, he's always been a really down-to-earth.
I'm just so excited to watch Dr. Dinkins grow in our community and show him what it means to be part of SCH. I'm also looking forward to his innovative ideas and what he brings to us to move us forward.
One of the things that really sets SCH apart is the strong sense of community here. When you walk through the halls of the school, or on the sidelines of a sports game, or cheering on the robotics team, our support for one another is strong, our community is strong, and because of the legacy of Springside and CHA and SCH, this place continues to shine.
We're so excited to have your positive energy, creative thinking, and your family join our school community, and know you will continue to honor the traditions of the past while carrying the school forward in new ways.
And for me, the mission of the school really does come down to how do we provide the best possible experience for the student in service to their development personally, academically. I imagine our school to be the #1 destination for families in the Philadelphia region, where we become the epicenter of academic and innovation. I really think that we have an opportunity to be the school that the world needs, graduating students that the world deserves. Our ultimate goal, which is to have them leave here and to make positive change in the world.